Hi guys, today's video, we're going to check out the 5 best CNC offline controller on the market. This list was made based on our personal views and are listed based on rating, review, orders, price, quality, durability, and more. To see prices and get more info about the products shown, be sure to check out the description below. One last thing before we dive in, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell to get the latest product reviews video from the channel. Okay, so let's get started with today's video. Number 5. Dobtian CNC Offline Controller. The Dobtian CNC Offline Controller is a versatile solution for CNC milling and laser cutting tasks. It is designed for milling machines and offers advanced features and software compatibility, including Gerbil control handle for 3-axis milling operations and laser Gerbil for laser cutting. The controller connects via a USB port and is compatible with various versions of Windows, including XP, 7, 8, and 10. It supports 42 stepper motors and a 775 spindle motor, ensuring smooth operation. The controller supports a maximum 12V5A laser power supply, allowing for a wide range of applications. It operates on a 24V power input and offers offline control, allowing for file processing without constant PC connection. The Dobtian CNC Offline Controller is C certified, ensuring its reliability and safety. Number 4. BENBOX CNC Offline Controller. The BENBOX CNC Offline Controller is a versatile and robust control solution for your CNC machine. It includes a high-quality control board with an integrated USB cable and an intuitive offline controller with a South Dakota card for managing operations without being tethered to a computer. The controller is equipped with the latest GRBL 1.1 firmware, providing precise and reliable operation for various machining needs. It is compatible with multiple CNC machines such as the CNC 1310, 1419, and 3018 PRO, and is compatible with CANDLE 1.1 and laser Gerbil software. The controller supports easy communication between the machine and computer via USB connection. It is powered by an Atmel 328P chip and an A4988 stepper motor driver, providing robust power management. The controller supports a range of laser modules, including 1000 MW, 2500 MW, 5500 MW, 10W, and 20W, allowing for easy laser engraving projects. The GRBL 1.1 firmware is pre-installed, offering a reliable and well-established solution for your CNC needs. Number 3. TopDirect CNC Offline Controller. The TopDirect CNC Offline Controller is a reliable and efficient control board designed to streamline the operation of CNC milling and engraving machines. It is compatible with various models, including the CNC 1610, CNC 2418, and CNC 3018. And features a robust GRBL 3-axis control board for precise control over machine movements. The controller also offers offline operation, allowing users to operate the machine independently. C certified, it meets rigorous safety and quality standards, ensuring its durability. The TopDirect is ideal for engraving and laser applications, offering enhanced control and ease of use. Its versatility allows it to handle intricate details and deliver high-quality results in various tasks. Number 2. yofuly CNC Offline Controller. The yofuly CNC Offline Controller is a versatile tool for CNC machining, designed for milling machines like CNC 1610, 2418, or 3018. It features an advanced GRBL v3.4 control board for precision and performance and the reliable A4988 stepper motor driver for efficient control. The controller also offers offline operation, allowing users to operate the machine without constant computer connection. C certification ensures compliance with European safety standards. The sleek black design complements any workshop setup, and the intuitive offline controller interface makes it easy for both beginners and experienced machinists to set up and manage their operations. Number 1. G-Penny CNC Offline Controller. The G-Penny CNC Offline Controller DDCSV 4.1 is a reliable and efficient CNC offline controller designed to streamline machining processes. It supports up to 4 axes and has a control pulse output of 500 kHz, ensuring smooth and accurate operation of your CNC equipment. Equipped with an ARM9 control chip, it offers robust processing power, making it a reliable choice for complex tasks. The 5.0-inch screen with 17 operational keys provides a clear and intuitive interface for easy navigation and operation. The controller also allows offline operation, allowing you to program and control your CNC machinery without a continuous connection to a computer. This feature improves workflow efficiency and reduces dependency on external devices. The GPenny CNC Offline Controller DDCSV 4.1 delivers reliable performance across various CNC applications with its high control pulse output and advanced ARM9 chip, ensuring precision and minimal downtime. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe this channel to get the latest product reviews video from the channel.